Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back again to Naomi Family TV show, guys. If today is your first time you are seeing my video, do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Follow my YouTube, follow my Facebook and follow my TikTok. All is Naomi Family. YouTube Naomi Family, TikTok Naomi Family and Facebook Naomi Family TV show, guys. Today I'm making fried yam and egg. So guys, see how I do it. Now I'm frying my yam. After frying it, guys, then I will fry my plantain. After frying the plantain, then I add my egg, mix everything together. So guys, it is time, like, let's do it together. You know, when you are alive, you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself, guys. When you dey alive, enjoy yourself. Where you dey alive, enjoy yourself. See now, don't fry the yam finish. Now the plantain now call the fry. So guys, if you not say this aroma dey reach where you dey, come make we yarn together. This one are the food when I take for my breakfast this morning. My breakfast food now be this one. Oh, as I dey cook this food now, so my husband Odoku family who call dey tell me say me I dey cook wetin he no like. They no like the food though. Say I dey waste time for kitchen. I dey waste my time. I supposed to use to cook better food. Now they waste time for kitchen. So guys, after I don't do the gbogbo express and finish, guys, stress my body. Now cause he say Odogu say. So guys, as we were talking, now see una see the egg. Everything dey inside. Carrot, green pepper, paprika pepper, salt, mangi, everything dey inside. Onions, I put all of them. So after I mix them together finish, I come put them. Now see, I don't put my pot for fire. After I put the pot, I come add my egg. You see? So guys, watch how I take do am. Watch am, guys. How you see this egg? How you rate am, guys? You see, toasted egg, guys. Toasted egg, guys. You see this egg? You want to eat am? I sit down, brekete, eat am well. You see am? Check this egg. No, I don't fry am finish. I don't fry the egg finish. After I fry and finish, I call off my gas. So this time now,
a few moments later.
After I showcase and you see the fryer. Enjoy yourself when you dey live. Enjoy yourself. Oh, not be when you don't die, you would enjoy. Now when you dey alive, enjoy yourself. So guys, see you all on my next video. Bye.